What up, what up, what up? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Welcome to Fast Farm. Heading out on a nice little ride with my homie Steve. He's got the 720S ahead of me. Let's go. So my man Steve hit me up. He was like, you want to head down the city and get some pictures? I'm like, hell yeah. Bro, do you hear that thing? Jesus. Not gonna lie, I love the sound of my car too. And just so we're all on the same page, it's a German car, so it's in kilometers per hour. Haha. Sorry, buddy, not right now. It's funny. People ask me regularly, don't those pops get annoying? I'm like, yeah, of course, if it was full time, but I simply press a button, put it in comfort mode, and they're gone. But I love every second of it. Alright, enough of this nighttime traffic. I want to move. Ah, we got a fast lane camper up here. Alright, we ain't going nowhere fast. Alright, we're off the highway now. Little back road boogie. God, that thing sounds so good. Just listen to it. Alright, that was me. Alright, so the McLaren was having some issues, so he had to rock it home, but no worries, he's just going to bring out the Turbo S. Alright, now we're on the Ben Franklin Parkway. We got the Philadelphia Art Museum to my right. So we're almost there. Alright, what are you doing, buddy? You want to get over, put your turn signal on.
Bro, I'm not fucking waiting for you.
Alright, here we go. God damn. And nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Yo, this view is crazy. Alright, we made it. Look at these buildings and all the lights. This looks so sick. What a view. Welcome to Philadelphia, ladies and gentlemen. The city of brotherly love. Yo, this is a dope view, as long as you're not afraid of heights. We got an oddly quiet night here in Philly. I feel like there's usually a lot more beeping and sirens. Hey yo, it's crazy how different it looks from day to night. All these buildings lit up. This looks amazing. Ooh, that Turbo S is a rocket. For those of you who know, know. And then for those of you who know, the 850 ain't too slow either. Haha. Alright, it's been fun, but we gotta run. Man, these parking garages are sketchy. I don't want to rip off this front lip. Alright, we made it. There you go, it ended up being like a really nice night. Got a lot of good pictures and videos. Good shit. As long as we make it out of this parking garage in one piece, it'll be a really good night. Alright guys, we made it back to 95, heading home. Hey, thanks for hanging out guys, really appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned.